Hello guys, hello, welcome to the 100 days of DevOps challenge. We are at day of the 100 days of DevOps challenge. We are at day 40 of 100 days of DevOps challenge, where we are running and fighting with Docker. We have already completed our Linux series till day 24, and we have already also completed our Git challenge series of 12 or 15 days, I think. And now we are fighting with the Docker. And till fighting, we are at day 40 of the 100 days of DevOps challenge, where day 40 is about Docker exec containers. So, as you have already seen the description, assign a description with your favorite enemy character. How many are liking the thumbnail? I hope most of you are liking it because you only told me to keep a unique thumbnail like this. So that's why I have keep it in. Okay. So without wasting much more time, let's jump to our today's task of the 40 days. So let's read and tackle this problem. So what we have this one of the notorious DevOps team member was working on a configure service on a key cloud container that is running on app server 2 in the status data center. We have to see key cloud container running in app server 2 instead of data center. So again, without wasting further time, let's go over app server 2. Let's log into our app server 2. Why would I believe that there is a container named Keycloud in App Server 2? I will log in it and then I will see that is there any container. Move in the chat if you all are in the container too. Let's see. Yeah, they are correct. They are correct. There is a container which is a Keycloud name. It is up and running from 9. That's great. So now after checking, let's move further. So due to some person he is on PTO. Most common abbreviation used in corporates. PTO. I was thinking, स्कूल में क्या था यार? In the school, but we are using PTM, parents teacher meeting. So I one person has told me I will be on PTO tomorrow. I am. I was thinking that maybe he has some parents teacher, official meetings or something. Maybe his child has a parents teacher meeting tomorrow and he will be there. But when I have searched the internet, I was, just shocked. I was just shocked about the full form of this video. Video full form was paid time off. I was just shocked on this. Like he will say, I am on a video tomorrow. I was thinking that maybe there is some parents teacher meeting or what. And then I have searched the video is paid time off. My God, paid time off. He is declaring his holiday as a paid time. Okay, it should not be a unpaid time. Okay, okay. So corporate की बात तो चलती रहेगी, कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. So he is on a penalty to finish the pending work asset. Okay, what we have to do? We have to install Apache in Keycloud container. We have to install Apache in the Keycloud containers. Great. Okay, we will install the Apache. This will not create any mess or any issue. Then after we have to what we have to do, we have to configure it to relation of port 8086. Do not bind it to anyone. Okay. This can also be done easily. And we have to select Apache and running. Not an issue. Systemctl status Apache. If it's running, systemctl start Apache. And systemctl enable Apache. Very good, very good. Correct. This is the simple task which we have to do. Let's do this simple task. We have to do this. So here, I think there is no any restrictions on the task to perform it as a root user. So let me log in as a root. Let me log in as a root. Then, if there is no issue in this, okay, I have logged in as a root, and let's verify that the Docker is running. Obviously, it is running. Yes, you can see the container is already there. Yes, it is active and is running. Now let's see this. Let's check the details of a container, which is Kcloud container. Let's check the detail and inspect it. What we will see, you can see all the container state like running state. Let's see the running state. It's currently running, and the network is bridge network. It is running. Network is bridge. Everything you can see inspecting this container. The path USR slash bridge. Anything else? Network space. Okay. No DNS, no IP6 gateways. Okay. This is what we have done on a secure routing basis. Okay. Now let's create the most important command which will help us is docker exec command. Docker exec command will help you to get inside this container interactively. IT means interactively. We'll get inside the container interactively with the shell script to be run. This Keycloud is the container name which is already given and it's running. So now we are inside the container. This is the container ID. Everything, every command, since this is a Ubuntu command, every command of Ubuntu, every command, literally every command can be run here. You can see the what you want to see. Free hyphen h. You can see the memory used by this everything. lsblk command list all the block. You can see the list. Every command is size is 375 GB NVM. Oh, what is this 19.9 GB as this is like 4 MB. It is partitioned in 3. They have didn't give any command on partition. I think it is also important. We will learn it after some time. Okay, there's not an issue. Now what we have to, since we are inside this, now what we have to do, we have to install Apache. We have to install Apache. So before installing, let's update this container first. Let's update it. Okay, certainly let's install Apache. apt install Apache 2 hyphen y means we are providing it. And there is one optional thing which you can do. You can install Vim as well. And if you want to, like, you can install Nano editor as well. These are basically editor. Let's go inside our Apache 2 directory to see is it installed or not. Okay, it is available. ls-laec. All the directories of Apache are available sites enabled. These are all the configurations of Apache. So this verifies that our Apache is configured. Now what we have to do, we have to configure Apache port to listen on 8086. So always remember, we have for configuring Apache port, we have to go inside ports.conf file, and inside this port.conf we have to selection this is currently listening on 8 port 80. We have to change this port as given here in port. What is the port given here? 8086. Okay, just add 86 here. Okay, done. This command is done. Let's save it and compare it. Let's see. Let's see is it executed or not. Just grab the command. You can see listen 8086 is already done. Yeah, 443 is not necessary to take because it is an HTTPS, not an issue. Now let's start the Apache service as given over here. Apache has already started. Let's verify that is it started or not. Service status Apache. Apache 2 is running. Since Apache 2 is running, let's verify on which port it is listening. So how you can verify? You can verify using netstat. It will take the port and let it will take it as a 8086. Okay, netstat is not found. It's saying netstat command is not found. Let's install net first. Netstat. How will you install net? Apt install net tools. This will install netstat. Netstat is installed. Let's jump to again grab it. You can see it is our Apache service is successfully running at port 8086. Listening to all the ports at 4002 Apache. Okay. So if you want to test it inside a container, how you can test? You can just go. You can see 86 container. You can see it here. You are getting the request of Apache. See all the Apaches. Everything is running over here. As they were already told us. Okay. Let's let's exit the container and let's see is the Apache service is running outside the container or not. Yeah, Apache is running. What we do, we have installed Apache in the container by using apt. Then we have configured the port to 8086 and we have again at last make sure that our Apache service is up and running. Again, I can check it. Sorry. Again, I can check. Okay, your service on Apache 2 is running. Without wasting much more time on this task, let's submit this task and please write a boom in the chat if you are able to solve this problem at one go. Again, easy guys, easy. So congratulations to all of you if you have successfully completed the challenge. Your results have been saved and your streak just went up. So in the streak in 3, 2, 1, boom. Congratulations guys everyone if your streak just went up from 40 days challenge. My streak is almost going up daily. Congratulations to all of you if you are following me and have completed this task with me successfully. You can see here your success card on LinkedIn or anything. So yeah, congratulations to all of you. So we have successfully completed our 40 days of Docker challenge and the most important task which we are waiting from within a month is day 41. I will teach you how to write a Docker file. This is the most important part of being a DevOps engineer. You will have to learn the day 41 how to write a Docker file. So without wasting much more time, let's end this stream. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe the stream. If you like, share it with everyone and write a boom in the chat if you like this stream. We will continue on day 41. Okay. So yeah, ending the stream. Do like, share and subscribe. Till then, we will meet tomorrow at day 41. Till then, goodbye, tata, bye bye, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Ending the stream in 3, 2, 1.